Hello, welcome to Xpert. Today we are going to see a new update released by Xiaomi for Redmi Note 8 Pro. This is the OTA update. To install that one, just go into your system settings. In system settings, select About Phone. In About Phone, select this icon, MIUI version. Then click on Check for Updates. If it is not showing you any new update, then use the link given in the description box below. I have given the OT update link. Click on that and it will download the latest OT update file. After downloading that OT update file, just click on this three dot icon button and select this option, choose update package. Now it opens the file manager, and through this file manager select the latest downloaded file and click on OK and click on OK here. Then it will show you a pop-up message that your device will be rebooted and it will install the updates. Click on OK. Your device will get turned off and it will start installing new updates. So be patient for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, your device will automatically reboot with new update, and this is the update 12.0.2.0. And what we are getting here, our September security patch update. So this is one of the rare occasions where Xiaomi has provided latest Android security patch update, and that's too on a time. There are no any other visible changes, only you are getting Android security patch update. It increases your device security. It is still running on Android 10. I don't know if it will get Android 11 or not. Probably it will not get. Let's see what happens. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day. Wear mask and stay safe.